Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the usage of the preposition of time at. So let's get started. Before we talk about all the details as for the usage of the preposition of time at, let's take a look at our picture here. Jack is really worried. His meeting is at 11 o'clock or in 11 o'clock, and the report isn't ready yet. So the question is, what's the correct form? At 11 o'clock or in 11 o'clock? In order to answer this question, let's take a deeper look at some of the rules. So the preposition of time at is used with times of the day. For example, 4 o'clock, 8 a.m., 6:30 p.m., noon, midnight, sunrise, sunset. So going back to our first picture, the correct form is at. Jack is really worried. His meeting is at 11 o'clock and the report isn't ready yet. At 11 o'clock. Veronica usually eats breakfast at 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. Eric teaches computer classes every Monday at 6:30 p.m. At 6:30 p.m. Matthew loves taking a nap in his office at noon. At noon. Natalie, how many times have I told you not to call me at midnight? At midnight. Linda is an early bird by nature. She even wakes up at sunrise on weekends. At sunrise. Pictures that are taken at sunset are extremely charming. At sunset. The next set of rules is that the preposition of time at is used with expressions. For example, the moment, present, night, lunchtime, bedtime, dinner time. Let's take a look at the conversation between a doctor and a patient. How do you feel at the moment? I have a terrible headache. At the moment. Another conversation between a customer and a salesman. Do you have these shoes in black? Unfortunately not. At present, we only have them in tan. At present. It is so difficult to study at night. At night. At lunchtime, our employees usually meet at some pizza place. At lunchtime. Please take 2 pills at bedtime in order to improve your digestion. At bedtime. When we visit our parents at dinner time, it is very difficult not to overeat. At dinner time. Thank you so much for being with us today. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and we'll see you the next time. Goodbye.